Umbrellas. Portable shields against the elements, blending functionality with style. From compact companions for daily jaunts to sturdy defenders against nature's whims, these versatile accessories keep you dry and in vogue. There are many products available to choose umbrellas, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best umbrellas from reputable brands. After much study, I discovered these products are a lot helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Repel Umbrellas. Introducing the ultimate travel companion. Our compact umbrella is a marvel of convenience and reliability. Weighing a mere 15 ounces and folding down to a mere 11.5 inches, 29 centimeters. It's a true space-saving wonder. Slip it into your pocket, tuck it into your purse, or keep it in the car. This versatile accessory is ready whenever you need it. Engineered for resilience, our windproof umbrella boasts a double-vented canopy that stands firm against powerful gusts, preventing inversion and ensuring you stay dry and protected in any weather. Built tough with 9 sturdy fiberglass ribs, it's your trusty companion during the most challenging conditions. This heavy-duty umbrella doesn't just shield you from rain. Its Teflon-coated canopy repels water effectively, facilitating quick drying and hassle-free storage. The automatic open and close function adds convenience, eliminating the fuss of manual umbrellas. But it doesn't stop there. Our umbrella goes the extra mile, offering UPF 30+ protection against harmful rays, making it your go-to shield on both sunny and overcast days. Rain or shine, this umbrella is an essential addition to your travel kit, ensuring you're prepared for any weather nature throws your way. Number 2. Oversized Canopy. Introducing the G4 Free Ultimate Golf Umbrella, a pinnacle of protection and reliability tailored for golfers, professionals, and everyday life. Available in 47, 54, 62, or 68-inch canopies, its heavy-duty build makes it a steadfast companion. Its sleek all-black design, comfortable EVA grip, sturdy frame, and automatic open mechanism make it a perfect fit. Whether navigating a bustling city or dominating the sports field, shielding you from nature's whims, this umbrella is your armor against rain, hail, or blazing sun. Crafted from ultra-water-resistant 210T Pongi fabric, it's both lightweight and durable, providing SPF 50+ protection. Breezes are no match for this powerhouse. The double canopy design and fiberglass frame render it virtually windproof, equipped to handle harsh conditions with ease. The vented design allows wind to pass through, enhancing its stability. Experience swift comfort with its automatic open function. No delays, just press the handle button for instant protection. Backed by our commitment to quality, we've engineered this umbrella to endure. Fiberglass ribs and tips offer flexibility and durability, while the canopy's 9 stitches per inch chain stitching ensures lasting strength. We stand by our product, offering an unconditional guarantee against craftsmanship defects for a year. Number 3. Bubble Design Umbrellas. The Totes Clear Bubble Umbrella is a quirky, specialized choice providing exceptional rain coverage. Its transparent canopy solves the age-old issue of sacrificing visibility for shelter, offering a clear view of your surroundings while keeping you dry. Its design, with ample depth and shape, ensures comprehensive rain protection unmatched by many. However, it leans towards the longer and heavier side, raising concerns about its durability due to materials like a plastic hook handle and thin ribs. The manual slide can also be less user-friendly, occasionally pinching hands. Nevertheless, its playful style makes it a great companion for casual use, adding a touch of fun to your everyday travels. For those seeking style without the clear bubble aesthetic, alternatives like the Psy Compact Automatic offer a diverse range of patterns and colors, catering to individual tastes, while delivering reliable coverage against the elements. Experience the ultimate shield against the elements with the windproof and rainproof Totes Coat Umbrella, ensuring maximum rain protection to keep you impeccably dry. Its quick and effortless auto-open design allows you to stay sheltered with a simple touch of a button, making battling the weather a breeze. The classic wood J-handle design is not just about aesthetics, it's ergonomically crafted for a perfect grip, ensuring ease of carrying. With an impact-resistant metal tip, durability is a guarantee, making it a reliable companion for extended use. Versatility is its forte, seamlessly transitioning from the office to your car and home. Perfect for dressy or formal occasions, it not only keeps you dry, but adds a touch of style to your ensemble. Maintenance is a breeze too. Leave it open to dry and easily wipe clean with a damp cloth, ensuring your umbrella stays in prime condition to protect you whenever the skies open up. Number 5. Bang for your buck umbrellas. The Balios double canopy embodies elegance and durability in a compact design. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, its ergonomic handle exudes sophistication, complementing various styles seamlessly. Despite its compact size, the canopy impresses with ample coverage, marrying fashion and functionality. However, its slight heft and larger dimensions among compact models might be noticeable. Still, its compactness allows easy stowing in most bags or purses. Ideal for casual use and versatile enough for formal occasions, it transitions effortlessly between settings. Seeking simplicity, the Labella Reverse Travel Windproof offers similar canopy space without the extra style, yet remains practical. Though plain, it provides expansive coverage for a compact umbrella and comes at an affordable price, catering to different preferences. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want greater information or in case you need to realize product price, do check out my description. For any type of hassle, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.